Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, I'm Chantler. So on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your wig to go from this to this. So if you're interested in how I change the closures out on my wigs, just keep watching. To begin, I'm going to just show y'all what y'all going to need for this little project. You're going to need a dome head, some scissors, some thread, a needle, your wig, and your closure. This wig is actually for one of my friends. She got this hair and wig from Baby Heir Collection by Crissy Cousins off of YouTube, and something happened to her closure, and she basically wanted me to redo her wig with the new closure. So I'm basically just going to show y'all how I did it using her wig. So right now I'm just showing y'all the new closure that I'm using. Like I said, this closure is from Baby Heir Collection by Crissy Cousin. Y'all, this method is super easy. If you're low-key lazy like me and don't want to take or lose your whole wig just to replace the closure, then yeah, you can use this. So before I did this video, I had already taken the closure off. So this is what your wig would look like without the closure on, kind of like a U-part wig. I'm not gonna really talk much through this video because honestly this is a very self-explanatory type of video, more like a look and learn. It's really simple, anybody could do it. I'm pretty sure a baby could do this. It's the most easiest method of changing a closure out that I've ever known. So just keep watching. If y'all feeling this video, make sure y'all leave me a big thumbs up. If y'all like more videos like this, make sure you leave me some comments below. And I'm going to see y'all at the end of this video. Alright y'all, so this is about it that I have for this video. I'm just showing y'all what the inside of your wig should look like once you finish sewing your closure down. I've taken it off the dome head and I've re-sewed it on the inside as well, and that just gives it extra security so that way the lace doesn't pull too much and break or tear or anything like that. And this is what your wig should look like. This is before it is styled. At this point I didn't style it, I just put the closure on. And yeah, that's about it. You've reached the end of the video, and I hope you guys really loved it. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and become friends with me, girl. We're gonna have a bomb ass time. So yeah, and until next time, I'll see you guys.
Let's go back.